Do you have a bit of extra cash lying around? Your brain thinks that's safe, but biology disagrees. Right now, that money is silently shrinking, and your instincts aren't built to notice it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to flip the script and make that money grow without stress, guessing, or fear. Investing explained like you're 10. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know what an ETF is, how to pick a simple portfolio, when to invest, how to avoid the most common beginner traps, and 3 steps you can do today. No confusing jargon, real examples, easy analogies. Imagine, in 2019, you had money that could buy 5,882 Chipotle burritos. Today, that same pile buys only 4,166 burritos. That's inflation. Your money buys less every year. If you keep cash under your mattress, it slowly loses buying power. Investing is planting money seeds so that over time, you get more burritos, not fewer. Historically, the stock market has grown about 8 to 10% per year. That's why we invest. Think of compound interest like a snowball rolling down a hill. If you start with $1,000 and it grows 10% the first year, you have $1,100. Next year, you earn 10% on $1,100, not just the original $1,000. Over many years, that snowball gets huge. Small amounts today become big results later. You can buy one company, like buying one candy, or you can buy a whole basket of candies at once. An ETF, or index fund, is that basket. Instead of guessing which candy will be the most popular, you own a bit of everything. That's diversification. It lowers the chance you'll lose everything if one candy goes stale. ETFs are easy, cheap, and you can buy them at an online broker. Tickers are just short codes for investments, like AAPL for Apple. Think of them as airport codes for stocks. Easy to remember, easy to type when you buy. Picking single stocks is exciting. Sometimes you win big, sometimes you lose everything. Most people who try to pick winners emotionally end up buying high and selling low. Index funds follow the whole market. They don't try to guess winners. Over decades, index funds win more often because they're simple, low cost, and avoid emotional mistakes. Every fund charges a tiny fee called an expense ratio. Think of it like termites slowly eating a piece of your returns every year. Low-fee index funds, the ones most pros recommend, leave more of your money to grow. Investing in stocks is like riding a roller coaster, big ups and downs. But over a long time, the train goes forward. If you're young, you can ride that coaster for decades. Short term, you might lose money. That's why your age and goals matter. The longer your time horizon, the more risk you can handle. A common fear is it too late? Here's the truth. Missing the market's best days can cost you a huge chunk of returns. Instead of trying to time perfect moments, the simplest strategy is to start now and keep buying regularly. That way you buy some at highs and some at lows. It smooths your price over time. If you get a windfall, you can either invest it all at once, lump sum. Historically, that usually makes more money, or spread it out monthly, dollar cost averaging, which feels safer emotionally. For beginners, DCA is great because it removes stress. A simple 3-fundish plan a 10-year-old can follow. If you want one clear, easy portfolio, one total market ETF, owns most US companies, the engine. 2, one international market ETF, spreads you worldwide. 3, one bond fund if you want a cushion, protects in bad years. If that sounds like too many choices, one total market ETF is fine. Set it on autopilot each month and forget it. You don't need to be a genius. You need a plan and patience. 3 simple things to do today. 1, open a brokerage or retirement account. Use employer retirement if available. 2, pick a low-cost total market ETF and set up a monthly automatic investment. 3, keep your emergency cash. Avoid high-interest debt and don't check the account every day. Investing isn't a casino. It's planting seeds and letting them grow. Start small, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you look at my subscriber count, you will see how low my investment capital is. Subscribe now to help me make sure I can afford some burritos.